Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you are new here, this is a safe space. We usually don't think about our balance until the day we lose it. For me, it was random morning on base day. I got out of my bed, walked 3 steps, and started to feel the dizziness. It was not too much to make me faint, but it was enough to make me pause. I didn't think about it too much and I brushed it off. Maybe it could be any reasons. Maybe I was feeling weakness. But after that, I started to feel that more often, like while sitting on the couch. And even if turn my head too quickly, even climbing on these chairs were hard because of the dizziness. From there on, I googled about the reasons and got to know that it could be reason of aging, it could be the reason that I'm not even getting enough sleep, maybe taking a lot of stress. But surprisingly, I'm in my 20s. So the aging isn't the problem. Even I was getting enough quality sleep. I was even not getting enough of stress. So now I got to know what I really need is daily supplement. Thereon, I got to know about Claritex Pro. It has changed my life more positive way. The first thing is Claritex Pro focuses on the inner ear, brain function, and nervous system. That is something that most of the supplements were missing. Like most of the supplements in the market will talk about the pain, stress, sleep, and immunity. Nobody talks about the actual problem, which is balance. But Claritex Pro talks about the balance in a more holistic way. Their ingredients entirely works on brain clarity, nerve communication, and healthy circulation, antioxidant protection, mainly overall stability throughout the day. What really worked out for me is that I have been consistent with that Creatix Pro. Like after consuming it for 1 week, I started to feel more active throughout the morning. After consuming it for 3 weeks, more I started to feel more healthier. There were less or dizziness. After consuming it for 5 or 7 weeks, I started to feel more confident and the dizziness was completely gone. The brain fog was completely gone. So I have been taking that product on a daily basis to support my inner health. Later on, I got to know that it is really hard to figure out the right product. So it took me a lot of time to find out the right source because there are lot of fake website popping up here and there. But for you guys, I figure out right description in the link so you can buy from there. With that, what is surprising about that product is that they have 60-day money back at. For me, Claritex Pro worked out great, but if there are someone for whom that product didn't work out, they can go and simply ask for the refund. No questions asked. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you had any doubt or you want to share your journey with us, you can comment down below and we would love to hear from you. With that, thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay focused.